Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial we are going to build a scroll indicator button using React Tailwind CSS. This button will show the percentage of the page that we have scrolled and the amount of the remaining page. That's a really useful UI feature that helps user to track where they are on the page, especially for the longer article or the blog post. So in the end of the video we will have this cool scroll indicator button like this in the bottom. And alright, let's dive into the video. So first thing first you need to do is to configure Tailwind CSS with your React app or even with the Next.js app if you want. So I will show you with the both React and Next.js. For that purpose you just need to set up your React app. I use Vite, so I create a React app and then configure Tailwind CSS with the React app, and then after I just create a component called scroll button. I will give you the link in the description. You just need to go and copy this code. This is a reusable code you can use in every website that you want to build in future or in the currently website that you are going to build. So you just need to copy this scroll button code and paste into the your code, and then you need to do just go to your main layout. For example, in my case this is app page is my main, you can say the root page. So in that page I just put this scroll button, and that's enough for the setup, and you can see the result in the browser. This is the button is here. Okay, if you want to do this with Next.js, for that purpose you just need to do what, as you can see this is working with Next.js also. So you can see the result here. This is the result with Next.js. In Next.js case you just need to go into components folder and just create a component. I give the name scroll button, you can give whatever you want, and then go to the root layout of your website. For example, in my case this is the layout.js file, and I just put this component under the children, and that's it, and you can see the result. That's working fine. You can use this in React, Next.js, in any case in any website. So now I just explain you little bit of the code, how this code is structured. In this code we have this use state hook. We are tracking the scroll percentage, and this is the function which is responsible for the tracking of the scroll position. This is the function where I just put the click handler on that button. For example, if I click here I go to the top, and if I click then I go to the bottom. What is happening here, when I just when this is greater than or equal to 100%, for example I am on the bottom, this is 100%. in that case when I click here I will come to the top and the value is 0. Behavior is smooth of the scroll. And when I click here, in this case the page will scroll to the end of the page, means the highest value, which is the scroll height of the document, which is for example 3000 pixel or 4000 pixel, any value, that is the whole document's scroll height, that is here. And we will far from the top. For example here we have 4000. In that case we are far from the top, 4000 pixel from the top. This is a logic. Okay, and then what I need to do, this is a button, this is SVG for the, this is a red line which is showing the indication of the scroll. Okay, and this is two SVGs for the top arrow and the bottom arrow. If this is greater than or equal to 100, then show this, otherwise show this arrow. We have two arrows that we are showing here. Okay, that's it for today's video, and inshallah we will meet in the next videos very soon.